Have you ever stopped to ponder what light truly is? Is it a wave, flowing and undulating through space? Or is it a particle, discrete and quantifiable? The fascinating answer is, it's both. The nature of light, a cornerstone of the quantum world, is a study in the extraordinary. First, let's dive into the wave-like properties of light. When light travels through two closely spaced slits, it doesn't simply pass through. It creates an interference pattern, much like the overlapping ripples on a pond when two pebbles are thrown. This interference showcases light's wave-like behavior. Then there's diffraction. Picture light hitting the edge of an obstacle. Instead of merely reflecting off, it bends around the edge, a behavior characteristic of waves, not particles. And let's not forget about polarization. Polarized light has its electric field oscillating in a single direction, a property that waves can exhibit, but particles cannot. Now let's switch gears and delve into light's particle-like properties. Consider the photoelectric effect. When light hits a metal surface, it can eject electrons from that surface. This phenomenon only makes sense when we think of light as particles, specifically photons. Each of these photons carries a specific amount of energy, directly proportional to its frequency. This distinct energy level is another nod to light's particle-like nature. And then there's Compton scattering. When a photon collides with an electron, it can scatter and lose energy. Again, this phenomenon is only explainable if we consider light as particles. So, there we have it. Light isn't just a wave or just a particle, it's both. It's this wave-particle duality that makes light, and indeed the whole quantum world, so intriguing. It's a reminder that our classical understanding, hinging on distinct particles and waves, often falls short when trying to explain the quantum realm. This duality, this blend of wave and particle, is not just a quirk of light. It's a fundamental aspect of our universe. So, the next time you switch on a light or step into the sunlight, remember you're not just seeing illumination. You're witnessing one of the most profound phenomena in physics.